Hey everybody, bought a new big screen TV here. Check this out. I really think this is as close to new in the box as I can get. So this is a JVC 3050 portable black and white TV radio. And I don't think this has ever been opened. Here's original styrofoam packaging. Now this box unfortunately has a chunk missing out of it. And I have to do all this one-handed here. But check this bad boy out. I mean, this is about as clean as you can get for something that's, I think this was introduced in 1976, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I know they made them for several years. I couldn't find a whole lot of info on these. Supposedly they were about $200 brand new, which sounds about right. Stuff like this was pretty expensive back then. Which, if you think about it, guys, I mean, think about the size of television you get today for $200. Keep in mind, if this is from 76 or 77, 78, something like that, keep in mind $200 literally bought you a car. Now, granted, you're not going to get a very good car for $200 in 1976, but you would get a running car. A very used running car was $200 back then. So, anyway, so I found this actually at a yard sale. I don't go to too many yard sales because they usually have crap that I really, really don't want. And let's see here. Oh, is this like a protective cover? I can't really tell. I don't know if this was meant to come out or not, but it comes out. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah. It's a TV, it's a radio. Now check this out here. This is the part that I find really amazing. Look inside this box here. Look at those original batteries, guys. Look at this. The back side of this battery has ceased to exist. I mean, that's worth the money seeing just that. Here, let me set this down for a second. Let me get this stuff out of here. Oh my goodness. You tell me, when was the last time you opened up a package that was so old that it literally had batteries that were decaying? Look at this. Look at this. The OG Duracells of your childhood. Look at that. Well, that looks like it's made out of like a wood fiber. That filling, that little back pad that's bulging out. I think I might be more excited about these batteries than I am the TV. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Just amazing. Oh, well, that's weird. Okay, it says best installed by January of 92. That's interesting. Well, this TV is a lot older than 92. Like, a lot older. This is like 82, something like that. Leave a comment. Do you guys remember what kind of shelf life these batteries had? They may have had an advertised 10-year shelf life. That could very well be, because I remember they used to advertise batteries as having kind of a long, extended shelf life. Look at that. This one says January of 93. 93. That's interesting. 92. Yeah, so these, well, I think these have gone bad by 92 at this point. 93. Wow, isn't that interesting? Maybe they froze. Who knows? Anyway, sorry, I'm not trying to be long-winded here, but this is kind of as close to a unboxing as I can do on something that's this old. So here is, so this ran on batteries, obviously, but it has this little power adapter thingy. This is your power for at home. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? And this would hook onto the side here into these little slots. So this is how you power this thing up, and I'm going to power it up here. Let's see. All right, so we have AC power. So we got to plug this doodad in here. And then this here would plug into, let's see, I'm presuming this slot here, which says DC 9 volts. So we're going to plug that in there. Ew. Oh, yuck. This has got some filth on it here. And of course I'm a little ill prepared. Let me pause this just for a moment. All right, let's pick up where we left off here. So now I have this, and I have an extension cord here. Let's see if we can get her to work. All right. I'm guessing based on the battery dates here, this is probably an early 80s model. So let's see now. All right, it is plugged in. And let's see. Power. Oh, it works. Oh, wow, it's coming on. Check that out. Volume. Okay. Huh. Man, it has been so long since I've seen one of these. Alright, it's picking up something here. So we got UHF. Oh, we got something here, guys. Wow, that class, man, the camera does not do it justice. I have not seen the static, this old school static in a long time. Well, that's kind of funny to me. Wow, what a blast from the past there. Let's see. Oh, yeah. New in box, and we have a light that'll illuminate the display. I remember having that on these old devices. They'd have a light to illuminate it. Anyway, just thought it was such a cool find. You know, you don't find stuff this old that's in like new condition. Anyway, I'm rambling. Interesting thing, interesting device. Definitely looks like a kind of a nice piece if you think about it. I mean, for that time period, you know, if you wanted something to go camping with, this was kind of sort of what you had to choose from. So here you go, JVC from, I'm guessing roughly, you know, early 80s, late 70s. Hope you enjoy.